Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is the fourth video of the shader development tutorial series. From this video we are going to create a custom diffused shader. In this video we are going to create a custom diffused shader and add the shadow caster. Before going further, I must recommend you to watch the previous videos if you haven't watched them. Till now we have created some unlit shaders. But you have noticed that these shaders are not casting any shadows. Here, I am comparing our custom shader with Unity standard shader. You can see that our shaders are not casting any shadows. First of all, let's create a new unlit shader. Name it as custom diffused. I will be using this same shader for a few tutorials as we are going to create our own custom diffused shader. Then open it and set the custom folder name in the first line. Delete all the properties and all the code in between CG program and NCG except the pragma statements. We are going to write the shader from scratch. Then we are going to define tags for shadows. Tags are defined outside the pass block. Tags are written in between curly brackets. Write light mode equals shadow caster. Now we will be doing a pragma statement for shadow caster. Write pragma multi_compile_ shadow caster. Then include Unity3d library by writing include Unity3d.cg inc. Then we will define a struct v2f. In this struct, write v2f_shadow_caster. This will help us cast the shadow of object using vertex data. Now define the vert function, vert. This function will take appdata_full as the argument. The appdata_full contains information about position, tangent, normal, for texture, coordinates and color. In this vert function, we are going to define a v2f variable O. And then write transfer shadow caster normal offset O. Finally return O. Now write the fragment function frag. This function takes v2f variable as input and do not forget to add sv_target. In this function write shadow_caster_fragment and pass v2f variable. This line of code will cast the mesh shadow on surrounding. Save the shader and head back to Unity. In Unity select the material and go to the shader drop-down and select unlit and then select the custom folder and then finally select your shader. You will see the objects will disappear. This happens because we have not defined any properties. We have neither defined a default color nor defined texture in the properties. But you can see the shadows are working. The objects are casting shadows on the plane. In the next video, we are going to add texture to our shader. We will also calculate lighting for our shader. Hope you liked this video and learned something new. Stay tuned for more shader development tutorials. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel.